Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey to one of Melbourne's most exciting buffet restaurants, Kitchen Workshop at Crown Melbourne. Located on the ground floor of the casino, Kitchen Workshop offers a wide range of cuisines that will tantalize your taste buds. The restaurant has a warm and welcoming ambiance. It's perfect for corporate functions, large gatherings, and celebrations. Kitchen Workshop is an interactive buffet that includes a teppanyaki station, salad bar, roast meats counter, and open pastry kitchen. You can watch as your meal is whipped up by the chefs at the counter of your choice. The buffet showcases seasonal produce and the freshest flavors, featuring an impressive selection of unlimited prawns and unlimited soft drinks. There are food options for the whole family, and the seafood platter is a real bargain for those who love their crustaceans. I hope you enjoyed this culinary journey to Kitchen Workshop Buffet Restaurant in Crown Melbourne. If you're in Melbourne, make sure to check out this restaurant and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.